Alright, hey, this is Hans coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got a really unique one from Thailand. This is Mama with their Tom Yum Mohfai Yentafo. No. Yentafo Tom Yum Mohfai. Okay. What's that, you ask? It's good. It's kind of like a dish that you can have in places like Thailand and Malaysia that don't always go with, it's got like the flavors of a dish that might have pork in it without pork. You put it that way. So let's add in the noodles to the pack. 300 milliliters of water. We'll take in, because I mean everybody likes things that taste good, but sometimes you just aren't allowed to eat things due to religion or preference or even health concerns. So if you can have that flavor and keep everything on the up and up, you're good to go. All right. Then we've got the paste. Did I actually get that open? I did. Alright. So we got 300 mils of water in the pot. And we're going to let it soak here with the noodles for 3 minutes. And the seasoning. And the happy time. I'm going to let it give it a little stir so everything gets liquid on it. Cover it up. I think this one was on my top 10 list a few years ago. There's our 3 minutes. What's going on? Let's do our quote real quick and then I'll dive into something different. Quote number 65 from Momo Fukuendo Speaks. It's a book of quotes from the guy who invented instant noodles. A company should develop itself as a forest rather than a lone cedar tree out in the field. So I got something new. So I've been like running around. I get up in the morning, I go out, I go do my walking and stuff. I've been wearing this thing. Check it out. The oxpecker, right? Actually, it turns out an oxpecker is a tiny little bird, but it sounds pretty menacing, right? But I had a Bluetooth speaker that I kept in this thing, and it worked out pretty well. I was able to keep a bunch of stuff in here, and it worked out good. But I wanted to use my other Bluetooth speaker that I used to use in the stroller with Mimi. So, move over, oxpecker. And I got this Carhartt one. This thing's beefy. Here's the speaker. And the bass on this thing, it rumbles. But yeah, here's my, it's like 20 watts, Soundcore Pro. It's nice, it sounds good. And then I've got this old Galaxy S7 that I use. And yeah, the last thing I was playing, some tobacco. But yeah, it thumps. I mean, it's like kind of creepy how vibratory it is. But it holds everything in here. It's got all my cards and junk. Oh, yeah. My pittance of cash. But yeah. It's crazy. Just got a package. I don't know who it's from. I know it's noodles. You can tell from the box it's noodles, but there's a big box of noodles. What are they? You got me. I'll find out when I do the unboxing. From somebody with a Japanese name. It's from California, so I have no idea. We'll see. We will see. Hope it's something good. Hope it's a bunch of different things. That would make me happy, because getting a big box of like 50 of the same thing, that's nice because I can like share it with people. But when I get a big box with like maybe like 50 packs and there's 5 of each kind, that's my favorite because then I can have one to review, one to open up for the pictures, and then it's all good. It is all good. Alright, so this is the Tom Yum Yentafo Mohfai. It smells really good. Kind of sweet. Let's give it a try. And this is indeed from Thailand. Cheers. Mmm. Oh yeah. It's got a nice hit to it. It's spicy. It's sweet. Nice broth. Mmm. Loving it. It's a very, very unique flavor. And I've always enjoyed it. Yeah, that was on one of my top 10 lists a few years ago. Let's pour this in. What are we gonna add in? A little bit of mung bean sprout like that. Couple little sprigs of coriander. And one thing I remember is they used fish cake. I'm pretty sure. They had one of the people at when I visited the company about 5 years ago, which was one of the most amazing experiences of my entire life. Thailand, wow, what a place. But anyways, they had varieties like their green curry and this one and some other stuff. And it's like, here's one of them that one of the, lab people made at homemade, and then here's the actual mama variety, so I could compare them. And the mama stuff was really quite good. I'm gonna throw on one of my standard. Where is it? If I could find it. We went shopping, so there's a bunch of stuff on the counter. Yeah, none of that. Put a little bit of sesame seed. And of course, wow, I need to get more pepper flake. I think that's good. Yeah. So let's get all ready for rotato time. Are you ready? Let's go up a little bit more. There you go. Oh! Wait a second. What's going on with rotato here? There we go. Tasty stuff from the land of smiles. Yeah, yeah. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.